Trim presents 1x1 Deco Square. A compact 1-inch high by 5/8 inch, wide by 8-foot length molding, made from high-density waterproof polymer. Designed for clean, modern transitions between wall and floor, this 8-foot trim is ideal for minimalist interiors or tight spaces where subtle detail makes a difference. 100% waterproof, will not swell, crack, or rot. This pre-painted waterproof molding is made from high-density PVC composite, constructed from 100% recycled materials and ready for installation without requiring paint. Use it to elevate sleek white kitchens with ceramic floors, contemporary bathrooms with floating vanities, compact studio apartments with modern finishes. Precision, durability, and style, all in one simple line. Trim, molding innovation.